I'm stuck again in a big traffic jam. I'm gonna tell you one thing that may change your life. Here it is. Sometime back, I faced the biggest challenging time in my life, in my family. Although I'm not going to tell you what it is, I want you to trust me, trust my word. During that time, I was fortunate enough to calm down, be rational, be human, and navigate through that situation. But that changed my entire life. I managed to come out of that situation. Here's few things that I learned. When you go through a tough time, most important thing is not to panic. Do not panic. Be patient as much as you could, because that will allow your brain to act properly. If you get panic, what happens is your thalamus is gonna take control of your brain, preventing your rational part of the brain work properly. That is the first thing. The second thing is, when you're in an uncomfortable situation, that will demand that you got to be lifting your game. You got to be doing the right thing. Every moment you're facing such a challenge, know that there is a great opportunity in it. The challenge for me was that to find out that. I can tell you that. While going through that tough situation, I managed to stay a human. I managed to live up to the qualities that my parents taught me. I managed to come out strong, much stronger than ever. I managed to develop my skill set. I managed to invest more time personally to develop my own life, my family. So, just to wrap up, if you go through a tough time, a time where you think you don't have a way out, do not panic. Stay calm. Look at the situation. Know that there is a great opportunity in it. Just try and find it.